For more, let's bring in Gil Luria from D.A. Davidson. You've had a look at the numbers like we have. What's your initial reaction?
They're spectacular, unprecedented. I don't know that we can think of a company of this size that grows 9-10 times year over year, that grows 3-4 times sequentially. The growth in the crypto economy was very significant in the first quarter, probably more than most of us even realized. And that's translating directly to fantastic results for Coinbase.
You know, I sort of think about this. Could you imagine a better time to go public for any company? This is like McDonald's going public after we first discovered we loved hamburgers.
That's exactly right. What fantastic timing. They're doing a direct listing next week, and they're reporting these types of results that exceeded probably anybody's expectations. And the momentum in crypto continues across the various crypto assets. So far it's worked out pretty well. It's a pretty good setup for next week.
Sure, but because of that, Gil, as an investor, you can't really extrapolate these numbers into the full growth rate for the year, can you? This was obviously a banner quarter where we saw them, you know, on volumes, on revenues, do more than they have in most of their lifetime.
You can definitely not extrapolate these kinds of numbers. Absolutely not. And remember, Coinbase's revenue isn't recurring. They generate trading commissions. And so when crypto's hot and going up, they trade a lot and they generate a lot of commissions. And on the other side of that, they're going to generate less commissions. It's not like their comparables, which are recurring revenue SaaS companies that build gradually growth over time. Their growth is not going to be on a straight line. But right now, this quarter was spectacular.
But what's a reasonable growth rate for something that's sort of hard to value? That's what you have to do for a living, right? You have to model it somewhere. So where do you?
That's right. And you really have to start with assumptions about the growth of crypto. And if you believe that crypto is going to continue to grow at the rates that it's grown over the last few years or decade, then it's very substantial. It's really as fast as anything else in technology. But that's a longer term extrapolation. In the short term, it's a very good company that's growing very quickly. And one of the great things about Coinbase is that they're a diversified bet on crypto assets. If crypto assets do well, Coinbase will do well. You don't have to pick which asset it's going to do well. But there's going to be ups and downs for crypto, and there's going to be ups and downs for Coinbase.
Well, clearly that's laid out in the guidance, Gil, which is a range of scenarios, which is sort of unique for Wall Street. They give 3 high, mid, low analysis for how many monthly transaction users, the MTUs, from 7 million to 4 million, which is good, I guess, to get the transparency, but also shows how volatile it can be. So what do you do with that outlook?
Yeah, I mean, we're going to have to create very conservative outlooks for Coinbase. I'd argue that their high scenario is very conservative, but the flip side is their low scenario is quite possible. So there's going to be a very wide range of outcomes, more than other stocks, more than other companies and comparables. And so we're going to have to take a conservative route going forward. And even that conservative route is probably going to be for pretty substantial growth this year and probably into next year.
Can Coinbase's stock work if Bitcoin is falling?
Unlikely. Unlikely. If Bitcoin falls, then Coinbase's results will go with it and it'll go down. And so the investors in Coinbase are going to be investors that believe in the long-term viability and growth of crypto assets and just don't want to pick the specific asset. They don't want to decide, do I want to invest more in Bitcoin or Ethereum or a new type of crypto asset? They just want to be in the category. Those are people that invest in Coinbase, and they'll just stick it out for the long term with these ups and downs, and there will be ups and downs.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.